esteemed dignitaries of the Youth Council Club. Please be seated, everyone. Taken from the Book of Psalms, chapter 118, verse 22. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Which means life is a series of moments, and each day unfolds us a precious gift. Even in the midst of challenges or uncertainty, there is something to be grateful for. With these lines, I am Ms. Gurpreet Kaur Bansal, Assistant Professor, St. Aloysius Institute of Technology, with immense joy and pleasure, welcome all our esteemed dignitaries to the seminar on intellectual property right. How to search, draft and file patents, organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell, St. Aloysius Institute of Technology, sponsored by Madhya Pradesh Council of Science and Technology in PCST Bhopal, an event that dwells into the intricate world of patents, and today we are gathered here to gain valuable insight into the process of searching, drafting and filing patents. We are about to commence our event by lighting the lamp, as the flickering flame of the lamp symbolizes the dispelling of the darkness, the igniting of knowledge, and the beginning of a new journey. As we embark on this endeavor, may the gentle glow of this lamp guide us with wisdom, fill our hearts with the hope, and ignite our mind with creativity as we are moving towards our event. Thank you, all the dignitaries. Before we proceed further, let's take a moment to acknowledge the dignitaries for gracing this occasion. And we have with us Father, we are equally privileged to have the presence of Dr. Nikki Chaubey, Senior. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Today marks the comment.
A very good morning to everyone present over here. I welcome all here in one-day national seminar on intellectual property rights, how to search, draft and file patent. On behalf of St. Aloysius Fraternity, I welcome our chief guest, Professor Rakesh Bajpayee, Head Department of Physics, Rani Durgavati University, Dr. Father Davis John, Director SATE, Father Leo, Information Center, MPCST Bhopal, Dr. Priyanka Agrawal, faculty members and my dear students. We all are human beings, and being a human, we all are fond of property. We all need to have property. सब चाहते हैं एक बंगला हो, घर हो, प्रॉपर्टी हो. But after that, we all are teachers. And teachers of higher education. So, because we are the teachers of higher education especially, not in schools. So, for that, we should be fond of intellectual property also. Many of us are knowing about intellectual property. Many of us are not known about intellectual property, and our students who are going to for the further studies, they should also know what is intellectual properties. Because when we talk about intellectual property, it is just a thing when you will be a certified owner of your critical thinking, your innovative idea, your creativity or your research or your innovation. आप जो भी कुछ अलग कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी अलग आपका खुद का आइडिया है, you can be the owner, certified owner of that property. That is actually called the intellectual property. और इन सब चीजों की डिटेल के लिए we are having experts with us. I welcome again all the experts who are with us to explain what is intellectual property and how we can make the patent, how we can make the copyrights of these things, and we can be the owner of this intellectual property. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Intellectual property rights. Today's seminar specifically focuses on patents, a cornerstone of intellectual property, highlighting how to search, draft,
HOD Department of Physics, RDVB. Resource person Dr. N.K. Chaube, Senior Principal Scientist, MapCoast. Dr. Priyanka Agrawal, Assistant Chemist, Directorate of Geology and Mining, Regional Office, Jabalpur, and respected Dr. Renu Pandey, Principal SET. All the dignitaries and participants.
Our chief guest, Dr. Professor Rakesh Bajpai, Professor N.K. Chaube, Senior Principal Scientist, Dr. Priyanka Agrawal, Dr. Renu Pandey, Father Leo D'Souza, and the convener of this program, Dr. Rashmi Chaudhary, professors, students, ladies and gentlemen. I was personally surprised that we are holding a very unique one-day seminar, which is not commonly encouraged or talked about in India. And I am very pleased and impressed that this young college is embarking on a topic where India as a whole needs to make huge progress. India has many things to its credit. We most of the time we talk more than we do on something big, something special. The sole purpose that India will be second to none, and they will have the rigorous slogans and other political activities, but in terms of scientific investment and achievements. After getting this information about the seminar, I was going through, and then I found China had the most patent grants worldwide, 7,98,347. China alone. All the best. God bless you all.
Thank you very much. Good morning to all of you in this August gathering of very important event of National Seminar on Intellectual Property Rights, how to search, draft and type it. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the Director of St. Lucia's Institute of Technology, through him, the team of the Education Faculty of this institute, the Principal of the college, staff and the students for having this topic. In fact, this is a burning topic which requires great attention, as Father Dr. Davis George has explained the importance of this intellectual property right, and especially filing of the patent. It is the strength of the patent which will in coming years will decide the strength of the nation. As Father has said, that China has the maximum number of patents, and if you have the number of patents, means you have the authority over what you have developed. Nobody else can use it before he or she gets the acceptance from the person or the organization who has patented that development. State of Madhya Pradesh has pioneered this mission of intellectual property right and patent filing in the state of Madhya Pradesh, and creating awareness to the various educational institutions, industries and other agencies through MP Council of Science and Technology, Bhopal, and Dr. N.K. Chaube has been, and I know that he has initiated this project through universities of Madhya Pradesh also through.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words.
And all present here. It is my privilege to have been asked to propose the vote of thanks on this event. I am grateful to the Lord Almighty for giving us a new learning day today. On behalf of the entire Sage fraternity, my heartfelt thanks to Professor Rakesh Bajpai for gracing us with his presence as the chief guest for the inaugural program. Special thanks to Mr. Vikas Shinde and Dr. Nipun Silahar for the help and support through MPCSD Bhopal. My heartfelt thanks to all the resource persons, Dr. N.K. Chaube, Mr. Jitendra Chaure and Dr. Priyanka Agrawal for sparing their valuable time to be with us here to share their valuable knowledge. My deepest appreciation to Dr. Father Davis George for being a great mentor to us and to motivate us always towards academic excellence. My thank Father Leo D'Souza for helping us to make all the arrangements. My sincerest thanks to Dr. Renu Pandey for delivering the welcome address. My best wishes to the convener Dr. Rishmi Chaube and co-convener Dr. Vasu Sharma and to all the participants. Hope you all have a great learning experience today. Thank you once again.